So today we are going to install DeepSeek-R1 to my system. Uh, Here in DeepSeek-R1, here we can see a list of models. It's classifying depends upon the size of the parameters which it is built, and it is from 1.5 billion to 671 billion. And the choosing of the model is depends upon the infrastructure of our system. So my system having 8 GB GPU with 16 GB CPU, and I can afford up to 7 billion parameter. So here I am taking 1.5 billion parameter model. I am going to install directly into my system, and I will serve the model within a specific port, and we can do the inference as well. And for that, first we need to install the Olama into our system. My system is Linux based, so first install this. So the Olama is installed. Our next step is to pull our model, that is 1.5 billion parameter model. That's our next step. Not going to Olama, it's just running. So let me check the system is running. This system, the Olama, is running in a pod already. So let's serve this first, uh, and then we can execute this pulling command. So when I execute this command, Olama serve, it will be starting to serve in a particular port, that is, I think, double one. Yes, in 11434. Yes. Then we can install again. Finally, DeepSeek 1.5 billion parameter model has been installed to our system. It's total around 1.1 GB size, and let's, so it is already serving within the port, so we can test it. So the URL, the inference URL will be localhost 11434. There is the standard port which is already running, and API generate. This is our inference URL. This is the request body. Here we should mention the model name and the prompt. That is the question we're going to ask to the model. And the stream, I set it as false. If it is set to true, uh, then we will get the response in a stream manner. So here, now I have set it as false, and let's do the inference by clicking this send button. Here we are sending the request. The question is best practices on Misra. So this is a response that we have getting total 12 seconds it took. So it's because my system has only 8 GB GPU, so that's why. And we can also check and integrate this model with LangChain. So here we can use the chat Olama object from this LangChain module. So this chat Olama module we can use for initializing this LLM. The base URL is same, and we need to give the model name. Let's initialize this. So this is the inference part. This is a human message that I'm going to give. I will give the same message. That means the input to the model. Let's check with the GPU. Okay. Yeah, we got the response. Finally, it took 8.9 seconds. So in this way, we can communicate with the model which is directly installed to our system. And by the way, we can ensure with the security of our data, and we can depends upon this model which is installed in our computer, we can build the AI workflows on top of that. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.